my channel. My name is Ruth Kerubo. Today we want to look at map reading, whereby we know a map is a representation of a part or the whole earth surface on a sheet of map, on a sheet of paper or cloth, and it's drawn to scale. So I want to see what map reading entails. Is it like the way you do for comprehensions? So we can get to say that map reading is the process of looking at the map to determine what is depicted and how the cartographer depicted it. If it's relief, what did they use? Did they use contours, what heights, hachures, layer tinting? What exactly was used? Others can also define map reading as the process of critically observing the symbols and sign representation of the earth's surface on a plain surface and attaching meaning to it. So some can also say it's the skill of using maps to navigate and orient oneself in a given area. So the key things that you need to know is that you need to have understanding of the symbols. For example, if you see MOS, it could be a mosque. Yeah. HOSP for hospital, school, SCH. Yeah. So you need to have knowledge of the contours. You also need to have knowledge of the legend and scale on a map. Then you need to be able to identify landmarks, roads and other features. Then we have map reading skills, including understanding map projection and scales, identifying map symbols and legends, whereby we know the legend is the key, orienting the map to the surrounding environment, locating oneself on the map, planning routes and directions, showing contour lines and other topographic features to understand terrain. Another thing, to translate between different types of maps. So we can see that map reading is an essential skill for various activities such as hiking. You want to do navigation. Instead of you getting lost, you need a map. Then we have urban planners and geographers, and lately we have the remote sensing being a trendy course right now. So we can see the skills related to map reading include identification, where you're able to recognize and name. For example, if you're describing drainage and you say maybe you're saying river boy, that is identification. We have location, finding specific places on a map using coordinates. These are the longitudes and latitudes. You can use scales and directions for bearing, landmarks, etc. Also get to see the orientation. This is aligning the map with the surrounding environment using landforms and compass directions. Anything for navigation, using the map to plan and follow a route helps to determine distance and direction. Of interpretation, to make sense of something. So you're able to understand the meaning of symbols, their colors and patterns. Another thing, we have visualization. You create mental images of the terrain and features based on the map so that you're able to understand the relationship between them. We also have skill and proportion. We understand that the relationship between the map and the actual terrain include the use of scales and proportions. Another question thing is that simple recognition, whereby you are able to identify and understand the various icons and symbols used on the map. Another thing, we have route planning, where a map is used to plan the best route between 2 points. When the rules of the roundabout is that you use the longest but most convenient road. You can use the vehicle on areas where we have the giveaway sign. Yeah. And then is spatial awareness. You will develop a sense of spatial relationship and awareness, including understanding how features relate to each other. For example, if you're able to see coffee, pyrethrum, tea, probably that area is an highland. If it's omena, you will find it. Yeah. That has been today's class. Hope you have really enjoyed. Until next time, bye.